Ever wondered how to tackle common hair and skin problems with just a few ingredients in your kitchen? With nature's bounty at our disposal, we can address issues like dry skin, clogged pores, and dull hair. Let's dive into how you can whip up your own coffee and brown sugar body scrub at home. You only could need 3 simple ingredients for this scrub. Ground coffee can control sebum, eliminate brown hairs, hide white hairs, deodorize them, and cause them to grow faster. Protects against UV radiation, relieves swollen eyes, improves blood circulation, and cures acne. Brown sugar removes dead skin cells and improves blood circulation. It functions as a natural moisturizer, keeping the skin supple and hydrated and giving it a lustrous luster. Brown sugar is milder than salt and softer than granulated sugar. It works to prevent problems with pigmentation. Coconut oil adds moisture and a smooth texture due to its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. Making the scrub is easier than you might imagine. Let us walk you through the procedure, and you will see how simple it is. Begin by taking a half cup of ground coffee. Coffee isn't simply for that morning caffeine boost. Next, add a half cup of brown sugar to the coffee. Now, add a quarter cup coconut oil to the mixture. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer and helps to hold things together. Blend these items until the texture resembles a scrub. Remember to exfoliate your body with this combination while showering, and then completely rinse off. And voila! Your coffee and brown sugar body scrub is ready to be used. You must be wondering, how do I use this scrub? Simply apply this mixture all over your body during your shower, scrubbing gently and circular motions. Rinse off thoroughly. Coffee and brown sugar will work together to exfoliate your skin, eliminating dead cells and increasing blood flow. When you incorporate this into your daily beauty routine, you will notice that your skin becomes softer, smoother, and more luminous. Make this scrub at home and discover the power of natural substances on your skin and hair. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like our content, don't forget to press the like button, share the video on your networks and with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any remarks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.